Hey everybody, today I am making lemon bars. What I've done so far is I have creamed up the butter. This is 1 cup, which is 2 sticks. And to that I'm going to add 2 cups of flour and a half a cup of white sugar and a pinch of salt. That's going to be my crust, okay? Okay, so let's get this done first. Okay, and I'm going to add the flour little by little. This is a shortbread. You want to do a little bit at a time so that flour doesn't start flying everywhere. Okay, all right, this is what it looks like. It looks like little beads, but it's a dough. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to now come in just a little bit and incorporate what my mixer didn't get. I'm going to put it in here and then I will bring you back once I have it in the pan. Okay, so it's in the pan, and what I'm doing now is I'm just putting it, smushing it, you like that? Smushing down the dough, the cookie actually. It's a shortbread cookie. I love lemon. I like chocolate, but I love lemon. I know I'm weird. The rest of my family, they're real chocolate lovers. Give me a lemon meringue pie, lemon bars, hard lemon candy, lemonade. I don't care. Then you're going to bake this. You bake this for probably about 20 minutes on 350. Just keep checking it. Depends on your oven. Almost done here. Now I'm just making a little ledge up here. Not a ledge, but you know what I mean. To where the filling will be able to lie on. Okay. And this is a 9 by 13. So I'm going to go put this in the oven and I'll be back when it's done. Alright, I'm getting ready to start my filling in a few minutes. I have the crust in. It has been baking almost 20 minutes. Then I have to completely cool the crust before I make the filling. But the filling is going to be 4 eggs, 2 cups sugar, a half a cup of flour, and 2/3 cup of lemon juice. I'm also going to put lemon zest, and I will put more lemon than what it calls for. So I'll probably put almost close to a cup because I like it very tart. As soon as I get ready to blend all of this together, get it in the shell, I'll be back. Okay, let's make this filling. What I'm going to do first, I think I'm going to go ahead and zest my lemon. I'm going to go ahead, I washed my lemons. Now I'm going to zest. I like a lot of lemon. I'm the one that likes it really tart. I don't like it real sweet. And I like a lot of zest. Look, see? I'm going to take the zest from both lemons, and I rolled these before I zested so it would give me the most juice that it could, because you want at least 2/3 of a cup. Okay, do you see all that zest there? That's a lot, but I like that. Okay, so now let's take and get 2/3 of a cup. If your lemons don't render enough juice, use some of the lemon juice concentrate. I always have this on hand. Hi, Bella. I know you guys probably don't believe it when I tell you she doesn't stay in the kitchen when I'm in here just doing that. It's whenever I start to film. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get all of the juice out of these lemons, and then I'll be back. Okay. Woo! Okay. I have closer to 3/4 of a cup, and I also have the pulp of the lemon. I like the pulp as well into it. All right. So what I'm going to do now that I have that done, I am going to put the 4 eggs in. And this part's really fast. Okay, now let me wash my hands real quick. All right, let me get these beaten up just a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to add the 2 cups of sugar. The 1/2 cup of flour. Add that little at a time. Making this so I can eat my lemon squares while I'm watching the royal wedding. They're having, oh shoot, what kind of cake? Lemon elderberry? I think it was. Am I right? I think. Anyway. Okay. All right, now let's add the lemon juice. I just got to make sure the pits don't get in there. Okay, that's good. Got to get this all incorporated. Okay, once I get this all blended up really nice, we'll pour it into the shell. Okay, here is the crust, cooled, and I'm going to pour the filling in, and then we're going to bake that at 350 for about 18 minutes. And I'll bring you back as soon as this is baked. Okay, everybody, it is done. And let's put some powdered sugar on it. Okay. All right. Let me get a plate and we'll cut it. And here they are. Look how pretty that is. Now we have to do a taste test, of course. I can taste the lemon zest. Just the right tartness. The buttery crust, the shortbread. Very good. Perfect way to celebrate the wedding tonight of Meghan and Harry. Okay guys, I hope you try this. If you do, let me know. And until the next DIY or recipe that I show, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.